Throwback Thursday. Last week's Throwback Thursday video. This farmhouse inspired lantern comes in red. Keep watching for 2 Formulosity videos combined into one. Hello. Welcome back to Wild Things Creative Crafting. If you're new here, come join our crafting family. All new subbies, welcome aboard. Shout out to all my OG subbies. Thanks for the love and support. Keep watching to see phase 2, adding LED lights. Thanks so much for watching Wild Things Creative Crafting.